Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we will be knowing how coronavirus kills a person after entering a human body infected to COVID-19 very briefly. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and share it amongst all your friends and relatives. Don't skip any part of the video because every part is related to the final answer of the question how a person infected from COVID-19 causes death.
To know briefly, first let's understand how the human respiratory system works and how lungs can help us in breathing. Every human has two lungs, and there is a windpipe which can be called a tunnel for the air to reach the lungs from the nostrils. This windpipe divides into two tubes known as the bronchi, and the bronchi divides into several more bronchioles. Whenever one breathes, the oxygen through the windpipe reaches the bronchi, through bronchi to the bronchioles, and after this, at the end of the bronchioles, there are alveoli, and the place where carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange in our body. There are a total 60 crore alveoli in our body. The alveoli are too flexible and they inflate or blow up when we inhale, and they deflate or shrink in the size when we exhale. This alveoli is completely surrounded with cells which are known as capillaries. The boundary of these capillaries is so thin that oxygen and carbon dioxide can pass through them.
As we all know that human body is made up of 37.2 trillion cells and every organ such as alveoli, bronchitis, lungs, windpipe, stomach, brain, everything is made up of cells. And if we zoom in capillaries, the cell we are talking about looks something like this. The cell membrane plays a huge role in COVID-19 infections. If this COVID enters into this cell, then it will create its core and cores of copies that infect the person. Now let's understand how corona gets into this cell. In maximum cases, this coronavirus attack on the boundary of lungs. Now you all must be thinking that why is it only the lungs and not the other parts of the body? The reason is ACE2 receptor present on the boundary. Coronavirus can only get through the ACE2 receptor using its spike protein. In simple words, the spike protein present in corona is the key for the door into the cells, which is locked using the ACE2 receptor present on the lung boundary.
These cells are semi-permeable. This means not all things present in the surrounding can enter the cells. Only nutrients can enter and waste materials inside the cell and come out. As the spike protein of the coronavirus gets in touch with the ACE2 receptor, it feels it friendly and accesses its entry to the cell. If this happens, then COVID will hijack the whole cell.
The RNA of corona is present inside the virus. Its MA has instructions to make copies of coronavirus. After few days, coronavirus will make crores of its copy inside our cells, and due to many other reasons the coronavirus destroys the cell, and this whole process can take 2 to 10 days, and this period is known as incubation period, and this is only reason COVID-19 is spreading all over the world so rapidly. In this period, the infected person doesn't have any of the symptoms.
After the destroyment of cells, our innate immune system will become active and focus on killing the coronavirus. And during this period, the infected person feels all the symptoms such as fever, cough, cold, and etc.
You all must be knowing that young people are recovering from COVID faster than the older ones, because the reason behind this is also your immune system. During the activation of innate immune system to fight COVID, the advanced immune system activates, which is also known as adaptive immune system, which starts releasing antibodies which start connecting to the spike protein of the coronavirus. Now virus is blocked from connecting to the ACE2 receptor present on the cell wall. Now this COVID can't get inside the cells to create its more copies. Now there can't be more coronavirus. But what about the previous one, which are blocked with the antibodies? Sudden after the antibodies connect coronavirus, the macrophages activate in our body. These macrophages are WBC and a part of immune system. And this macrophages with snap virus into itself. And these antibodies can connect to several coronavirus at a time. And this will help macrophages to take coronavirus in bulk. The reason why young people are recovering faster is because the antibodies released in them are faster than older people, and the older person's advanced immune system can't release antibodies as required, and due to the lack of antibody, number of coronavirus increase in body. And if you have understood this all, then you have also understood the COVID vaccine mechanism. In simple words, the vaccine will give warning to the immune system that in future this type of virus can attack the body. So be ready with the antibody. Now the main part of the video arrives. Our topic was why COVID-19 causes death and how. The answer is that when COVID enters the cell and makes its copies, which result in the blast of cell, just like lakhs and crore of cells destroyed. And also because of the fight of COVID and antibody, the alveoli present in lungs gets blocked due to the pus or simply a wall which will block the transfer of carbon dioxide and oxygen. And as a result, infected bodies cause death.
This tiny the virus is, but it's making a huge impact on the world, causing 3.01 million deaths due to COVID, and 80.4 million people are still suffering through it.
This proves that small things can make huge changes, and that's why your one like, share, and subscribe can make our effort more useful. So, if you liked our video, please drop a like, click that subscribe button, and comment your views on this topic. Click that bell icon to stay tuned for such information based videos. Thanks for watching till the end. We'll meet you in the next one.